Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Aditi and we'll talk all things interior in this space. So if you're renovating your place or trying to make it more beautiful and more functional, consider subscribing to our channel. I'll really love to see you here more often. Bathroom decor on a budget is now more doable than ever with bargain shopping stores and by repurposing elements from other parts of your home. After all, money-saving ideas are the perfect way on how to decorate a bathroom. You don't have to complete a whole bathroom remodel to bring life to that space. A few budget-friendly expenses can instantly bring life to your bathroom. So, let's get started. Replacing the outdated lighting fixture can be a less expensive way to transform your bathroom. Trust me, there's a wide variety of affordable lighting fixtures available in-store and online. But remember that major electrical projects are always best left to professionals. However, with some guidance, switching out lighting fixtures is an easy DIY bathroom project that you can do in a day. Don't be afraid to try trends when changing your powder room lighting. Modern bathroom lightings include hanging pendants and light bars that diffuse light into a room. It's smart to choose LED lighting fixtures since they're the most energy efficient and don't add extra heat to your bathroom. There's no need to stare at blank walls in your bathroom. Treated canvas prints are water resistant and affordable. Go for oversized proportions to get the best visual impact. For a unique look, have a local printer blow up your favorite photo into a customized wall art. Nowadays, custom printers can create canvas prints and even laminate them for water resistance. When brainstorming bathroom decorating ideas for art, then think beyond canvas print. A wall gallery of favorite objects like starfish or baskets can be a personal and refreshing way to decorate your walls. If your tile is boring, try covering it with removable adhesive tiles. They're easy to cut and install and they look like the real thing. The big win is that they can be removed whenever you want without damaging the surface behind it. It is perfect for updating the bath in an apartment or rented house. A quick and easy bathroom decorating idea is to change your bathroom's hardware. New drawer pulls, towel bars, toilet paper holder and faucet will completely change the look of your bath. Replacing your bathroom fixtures can even make your countertop look fresh again, especially if you have a small bathroom that's adorned with gold brass. Replacement is as simple as unscrewing and popping off the old hardware and adding a new one. To keep this project quick and easy, be sure you are replacing old hardware with similarly sized screw hole spacing, especially on bar-style drawer pulls that require screws. Decluttering and organizing your bathroom will instantly give it a fresh look. If you have a small bathroom, think about how you can improve on existing storage. Adding pull-out drawers that sort items easier into cabinet is an easy weekend upgrade. Standard sizes of pull-out drawers are available at most home improvement stores. Other ways to maximize storage include floating wall shelving, wall-mounted baskets, small furniture-style storage cabinet. If you're pressed for space in your home, consider adding your home washer in the bathroom. With an easy water connection, most washers can fit under the sink. Donate or throw away your old mismatched towels and buy soft, fluffy ones that match your new bathroom decor. Throw in an accent color or pattern of the modern bathroom design touch. Try fresh textures and shades of color for your floor mat. Look for comfort and unique materials in the shower curtain. Choose a pattern or a printed shower curtain that coordinates with your towels and mats. This is most likely the cheapest part of bathroom decorations but can make the biggest impact. There are DIY and budget-friendly flooring options available today that are modern and easy to work with. Affordable, resilient vinyl floor planks are available at most home improvement stores and come in a variety of wood species and patterns. They're really looking and include textures and imperfections on the surface, much like a real wood floor or stone tile. The best part is that the vinyl floors tend to be waterproof and come with long warranties against wear and tear. You can also add a woven vinyl floor rug. The rugs are industrial strength and can be ordered in custom sizes. They have a rubber backing that adds padding and comfort to your bathroom floor. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.